In this video, I will show you how to remove multi-account login on Instagram. Now let's first go to the profile icon. And when we tap on this username right here, you'll be able to see that I am logged into another account. Now in order for me to log out to my current account right now, all I have to do is to switch account and then click on these three lines right here. Now you just have to scroll down and then you can select log out all account. So any drafts or any login info that was saved on your account, on this account specifically, will be removed, and Instagram will no longer remember the login info for you. So when you log into this account again, you will need to enter your password and your username to be able to log in. So you just have to click on log out. And that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.